In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT voice chat not working with a few simple steps that usually solve the problem fast. If your microphone is not showing up, voice mode won't start, or ChatGPT keeps ignoring your input, this guide will walk you through the exact fixes you need. Make sure to watch until the end, because the final step is the one that often gets voice chat working again. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and refresh the page. A simple refresh can clear temporary glitches and reload the voice feature properly. Sometimes ChatGPT just needs a clean restart in the browser before the microphone option will respond. After refreshing, try the voice feature again to see whether the issue is already fixed. If it still is not working, the next thing to check is a microphone permission in your browser. Click the site information icon next to the address bar. This is the little lock or info icon that shows your current site permissions. From there, go into site settings. In the permissions area, find microphone and turn it on. Make sure it is set to allow, not block. If the microphone is blocked at the browser level, ChatGPT will not be able to hear you no matter what you do inside the app. After allowing mic access, close the settings and go back to ChatGPT. If it still does not work, the next step is to enable your microphone in Windows settings. On Windows, open your system settings and check your privacy and microphone permissions. Make sure microphone access is enabled for your device and for apps that use the microphone. If Windows is blocking the microphone, ChatGPT voice chat may fail even if the browser permission is turned on. Also, make sure the correct input device is selected if you have more than one microphone connected, such as a headset, webcam, or external mic. Once microphone permissions are enabled in both your browser and Windows, go back to ChatGPT and try again. Click the voice icon and test it one more time. In many cases, these few steps are enough to fix the issue completely. If voice chat still is not working, double check that your microphone is not muted, unplugged, or being used by another app in the background. Browser permissions, Windows permissions, and device selection are the three biggest things to verify when ChatGPT voice chat fails. So to recap, refresh ChatGPT, allow microphone access in your browser, enable the microphone in Windows settings, and then try the voice icon again. That is the fastest way to troubleshoot the problem and get voice chat working again. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy fixes and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.